Okay guys, so we're back. Now we're going to be testing this NaviMow on the St. Augustine grass. If you guys have seen my last video, I tried it in my backyard, which is perennial ryegrass, which I would say the leaf blade is really thin and it did an okay job. If you guys, I'm going to put a link in the description so you guys can watch that video if you haven't seen it. But I really wanted to test it out over here on the St. Augustine grass, which is a lot thicker blade, I would say. So let's go ahead and set it up and we'll see if it's able to mow or not. Okay guys, just go ahead and open the app. So I'm not going to use the satellite. I'm not going to map it out. I'm just going to manually mow this with the app. I just want to see how it does against St. Augustine. So let me go ahead and set it up and we'll start mowing. Okay guys, so I just realized I made a mistake. I forgot to change the cut of height, or the height of cut. I left it on 2 inches. So I noticed, okay, it kind of seemed like it's struggling a bit, and that's because I left it too short. So remember guys, before you use this, make sure the height is corrected. So I went ahead and raised it up to 3.2 inches. But I just want to show you guys real quick how it did with the 2 inches. Let me see if you guys can see right here. It's the cut area and then not cut. So let's get a closer look how it looks. You guys can see all the blades. It did cut off, but it was my fault. I left it at 2 inches instead of, it was something about 3 or so. So I want to change it. I'm going to do another pass and then we'll come back. Check it out. Alrighty guys, so here we go. Alright, so I did another pass at 3 inches. So this right here is where I did the 2. Right next to it is where it's about 3.2, I believe. Let me see if you guys can see. I mean, to be honest, it was cutting, but I think this will not do that great on St. Augustine. I think this grass is too thick for this particular lawnmower, especially when you look at the size of the blades. Let me show you guys. So these right here are the blades. They kind of just look like a safety razor blade. Yeah, so that's why I think this NaviMow, I don't think it would be too great for St. Augustine. I think it was because it was a lot thicker. It was kind of struggling to move on certain areas. And I mean, I know it doesn't look straight, but that's because I was trying to record and drive at the same time, so that's why it's not perfect. But it does seem like it struggles a little more than my grass type, which is ryegrass. I just think this grass is too thick for this particular mower. But let me know in the comments, what do you guys think, if it did a good job or not. All right, see you in the next one.